everyone, this is Kashika here and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the beauty and charm of Himachal Pradesh, a paradise nestled in the heart of the Himalayas. Join me on a virtual journey as we explore the breathtaking landscapes. Get ready to witness the majestic beauty of the Himalayan mountains, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this serene land. The picturesque villages, gushing rivers, and vibrant markets will surely captivate your heart and soul. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be transported to a world of natural wonders and cultural delight. Hi, and it's 4 in the morning, and we are taking off right now. Today we are trying to reach Manali, and let's see. It will take 12 hours to reach Manali from Delhi. So hope so we won't be facing any obstruction.
I shine so bright you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice?
You look nice, don't you?
I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Knew it right when I found it. Eyes on me 'cause I got it. I got it. Do what I want, it's my party. I just answer my calling. They all up 'cause I got it. I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, I got it. I got it, yeah. I got it, yeah. I got it, 'cause I got it. My code is different in this life. All eyes on me, that's what I like. Get what I want, I take what's mine.
It's 7 p.m. and we have reached Sisu. We'll be staying here for the night, and tomorrow let's see where we'll go. It's very cold outside. It's literally raining. I have reached my hotel room, and it's quite cold outside. It's raining. Let's take a peek. Hi everyone, good morning. This is my second day of the trip. As you can see, the view outside is spectacular, and it's 3 degrees right now and I'm freezing cold. I just bought 2 jackets. Anyway, today we'll be going to Gamburanjan, which is I guess 3 to 6 hours away from Sisu, and yeah, I'll have breakfast right now and we'll go after that. On our way, we stopped at a shop and we had ordered some snacks, but I was thinking of having something heavy, so I had ordered aloo paratha, which was quite delicious. It was simple but still appetizing. we had reached Shinkala top, which was around 16,000 feet high. And I'll be honest with you all, I was not dressed properly at all. I don't know what was I thinking, and I didn't pack enough clothes, to be honest. I was not even able to speak in front of the camera because I was shivering, and I just wanted to cover my entire face with this, the turtleneck that I was wearing. We have reached Kambulanjan. Let's go. Yo. And we have booked a hotel which is quite far from the marketplace. All the hotels in the market area was booked, so we had to come a little far away from the marketplace. So right now we are going to the market, walking. You gotta stand up and fight. On our fourth day of our trip, we visited a small town in Himachal Pradesh, Manikaran, which holds great historical significance dating back centuries. Legend has it that this town was visited by Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati themselves. The town is famous for its natural hot springs, which are believed to have healing properties. Pilgrims from far and wide come to take a dip in these sacred waters, seeking blessings and rejuvenation. Manikaran also boasts a Gurudwara that holds immense importance for the Sikh community. It is said that Guru Nanak Dev Ji himself visited this place during his travels. As you wander through the narrow lanes of Manikaran, you will come across ancient temples which each with its own story to tell. The intricate architecture and spiritual aura of these temples are sure to leave in awe. On our 5th day of our trip, which was the last day of our trip, we went to Tirthan Valley, which is 86 kilometers away from Kasol. Yes, quite far away, right? I was already so tired at that point, but never mind. In Tirthan Valley, we went for fishing and we did catch a fish. But mind you, I'll highlight the words "a fish" because we just caught one. That also, we weren't the ones who caught it. The tour guide uncle who was with us, who was helping us actually, he was the one who caught it, so we cooked it. And I'll show you the photo of it. And that's a wrap on my incredible journey through the stunning landscapes of Himachal Pradesh. I hope you enjoyed tagging along with me as I explored the majestic mountains and serene rivers of this beautiful region. Whether you are a nature lover, adventure enthusiast, or simply seeking some tranquility, Himachal offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Don't forget to hit the like button if you dream of embarking on your own Himachal adventure someday. Thank you for joining me on this virtual trip, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop seeking out new adventures. Thank you and bye-bye.